So I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer and I simply type here 2612. So you can, after opening the Microsoft Word, you can simply go to your keyboard and type like this 2612. So it is very simple. You must type 2612, and after typing this 2612, you once again go to your keyboard and there you can see this is the keyboard. There you can see this is the alt key and this is the S key. So you must press these two keys at the same time. One of your fingers should be in this alt key, at the same time another finger should be in this S key. So if you press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that a ballot box with S, this symbol we have created using this method. So very simple. You must first type 2612 and after that you must press these two keys at the same time for creating this one. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.